Now
Oh,
you're the host, ma'am.
yes.
And
Okay.
Newton Golden Spot.
Okay. Now I'm fine. Now I'm happy also. Okay. But where is Umaima gone? Okay. Umaima has to still join in. And Umar, please turn on your screen. Umar, please. And Umar, I'm not going to tell you this again and again. Okay,
My is
Umaima is also back. Umar, I'm not going to start the class unless and until you turn on your screen. Otherwise, I have to put you in the waiting room and then I will start my session. Let's wait. Let's give Umar 30 seconds. Come on, count everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Ma'am, even
7,
Mustafa.
8. Even
8,
Mustafa has a
9, 10,
11, 12,
12, 13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20.
20.
I think so. He's not going to turn on his screen. Let me put him to the waiting room. Okay. Umar, are you turning on your screen?
25.
I think he's
Umar,
not there.
he's not there.
He's, yes,
Okay.
must be roaming around
Hmm.
without earphones.
Okay, let me. Why Umar is not turning on his screen? Let me share my screen and where is my
Left.
he left?
He
Okay.
left.
Okay, let him join in again. Okay. Okay. So now let me share my screen. Okay. Okay. Now I have do you have your textbooks?
Yes.
Science textbook?
Yes.
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 So please
Yes.
remove your science textbook.
Okay.
Okay. So there's an activity on page number, I'll tell you.
So far, we did it all.
Okay. There's
What
activity
turned
on
around?
page
Ma'am, I'm
number.
already done.
You have already
27.
done? Okay.
Yep.
So now one by one, I will annotate. You have to tell me the danger and you have to circle it. Okay. Look at the picture below. Draw a circle around all the electrical danger you can see. Okay. So we have to just circle it and we'll complete this activity. Yes, Umaima, tell me. You have
Ma'am,
already
I'm
done it?
already done.
Okay,
Yep.
let's see how many circles you have made and how many circles we can find it. Okay. Okay. Come on. Manha, you go first. Manha, show me the electrical danger first. Manha, over here. Manha, you tell me. Can you find any electrical danger on this picture?
I can find.
Wait a minute. Ha, Manha, tell me quickly.
The iron one.
Okay, the iron one. Why do you think that this is an electrical danger, Manha?
Because we kept the iron on any cloth, there will be fire.
Okay, if we keep
The
the
cloth
iron,
will also
yes, burn. Yes, right, Manha. The cloth
yes.
will also get burned, and if we keep the iron for a long time like this, then what is going to happen? It will catch fire. Yes, Manha. Omaima, go next.
I will circle this because the gas is on and there's nobody in the kitchen.
Okay, this one. Okay, Umaima loves to annotate. Okay, so this one because the gas is open, and one more thing is there. Gas is
Chimney,
open. What
ma'am.
is going to happen, Umar?
Ma'am, the chimney at the toilet paper.
Mustafa,
Ma'am,
wait.
I'm not
Just let Umaima complete this. Umaima, Umaima.
Yep.
Why do you think that this is an electrical danger?
Because this girl or boy has keep the gas on and there is milk in it, and then if the milk comes up, so it will boom. like
Okay, so she thinks, Umaima thinks that milk will come out and it will spill, okay, from the utensil. So it is an electrical danger. Okay, Mustafa, go next.
Um,
Mustafa, go next. Tell me quickly.
there are a lot of wires, and anybody can get shocked with that. The
Where is it?
wire
Where is it? Where is it, Mustafa?
at the water, there's water spilled, and wire is also there on the
Okay,
water.
okay. Oh, I think so. This one, which is already circled, okay. Why do you think that this is an electrical danger, Mustafa?
Because if a if a if water comes on electricity, it could catch fire.
Okay, yes, because water is a good conductor of electricity and the wire is going overhead, so it can catch fire. Okay, very good. Who's next? Manha again. Umar is not there, right? Everyone, is Umar there?
Muhammad Ali also.
Muhammad Ali and Umar is not there. Okay, Manha, tell me quickly.
Um,
Next,
um,
can you see any electrical danger?
Mm, I don't see any.
Ah, you don't see. Do you know in Curie, when I was taking this, I got almost 7 to 8 electrical danger. Quickly. And you all have only circled 3. That's not enough. Quickly, Mustafa. Umaima. Come on, Umaima will help us. Umaima.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I know one.
Okay, Mustafa,
The
tell.
fridge.
The fridge. What about the fridge?
Over the fridge, there is a switch.
Okay.
The fridge over it. The a heavy thing is kept
On top of it.
beside the fridge. It's really hot, and the wire is
Okay. The
there.
wire is overhead the fridge. And that is Mustafa is thinking that because the fridge can overheat and it can also cause fire. Okay, so this is one more electrical danger. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I say
Yes, Umaima, go next.
this?
Which one?
This one.
Okay, this. Why do you think that this is an electrical
Yeah.
danger? Why do
Because there's no one in this house, then also everything is plugged, and
Okay.
if it catches fire,
Okay. Umaima thinks that this can cause fire because there are too many plugs also, and she thinks that nobody is there to
yeah.
supervise or observe.
And how will we get that much electricity also?
Okay. Anything else, Umaima? Anything else you can circle? No.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Tell me. Tell me.
This
Okay. This. Why do you think that this is an electrical danger?
in the sink.
Why do you think so?
This is not an electrical danger, but it's not good. Like dishes in the sink and there are soapy water.
Okay. But it is not an electrical danger. Yes, Manha, tell me.
It's not an electrical. And one more thing, the
Tell me.
mixer is on.
Ah, the mixer is on, and even the mixer is very close to the water. So electrical appliance should not be kept close to the water. Okay, what else?
Yeah.
What else? Quickly. See, when
This
I was
ma'am,
in Curie, I
toaster.
got 8 to 10 almost electrical danger. Yes, this
Toaster.
toaster is kept on the floor. Anybody could trip. Okay. Yes, and tell me more.
Yeah, one more I know.
Mustafa,
We
tell
did
me more.
8.
We did 8.
Eight.
Tell me at least one more. One or two more. Quickly.
Chimney. The chimney is on.
Where
Yeah.
is the chimney? The chimney is on. What is the electrical danger over here?
And down only there is, if the milk comes to up, so it can go to chimney.
Okay.
And
There's a tissue paper over here. Okay.
No, the
smoke a
toilet,
lot.
the kitchen tissue. Yes.
Yes. The tissue paper is on the top and there is a stove also. And the paper can catch fire. Yes? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is also an electrical danger. Then what else? What else
Nine.
is
This also.
in the jug? Just
Jug.
observe the jug. Manha,
Yes.
tell me.
Jug.
Just a
The
minute.
jug is also on with the wire.
Jug is on.
Yes, the electrical.
It is not an
It's
electrical appliance. It's a jug with water. Quickly tell me, what is the electrical danger? Manha.
Oh, there is behind only wires. If it falls.
Wait, Umaima, let Manha answer. Manha, tell me.
There is in the jug there is water, so it will spill. So in the wires they will catch the fire.
Yes. Okay. In the jug, there is water. And if the water will spill on the wire, that is also dangerous because water is a good conductor of electricity. Okay.
Ma'am,
How
we
many
also
circles
answered
are
10 only.
Okay.
10.
Now y'all are big girls and boys. Okay. Okay. So y'all have already circled 9 to 10.
Ma'am,
Good.
but
Yes.
why are we separated when Curies also do the same thing?
No, but the Newtons are going to write more. Okay. They are going to write more. For them, I'm not going to give them more of writing.
We are big, that's why.
Yes.
They are small.
Okay, now I'm going to share my screen again. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Now, can you see this? Can you see this?
Go fetch a toy that works on it.
Okay. So now what you have to do is go and get any toy which needs electricity to work. Can you get any one toy which needs electricity?
Okay.
Come on, you have to get up. Get up and fetch a toy which works on electricity. Okay, Mustafa, you have got any toy which works on electricity? Have you got any toy? Mustafa, I can't hear you. You are muted.
Mama brought that.
Okay, show it to me. Okay, what is this, Mustafa?
The remote control car.
Remote control car, and it works on AC or DC?
Electric. AC. No. DC. It's
DC.
a remote control car.
DC, and it works on batteries, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, I also bought.
Wait. We'll listen to Mustafa first, and then I will come to you, Umaima. Okay, so it works on batteries, Mustafa?
Yes.
Okay,
It's
why
a
do you?
stunt car.
Okay. So why do you think, Mustafa, that it does not require AC or it does not require plugs? It works on batteries.
Actually, it's AC and DC both because its battery can be charged.
Okay. You have to charge the batteries and then it works, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Then it
Umaima,
works for a long time. Then when its batteries run off, then we can charge. But the charger has lost.
okay,
So
you
I
have
don't
lost
play
the
with it.
charger. Okay, that's fine. But it is a electrical toy, okay,
Yes.
which works on electricity. Umaima, show me what
Yes.
you have got.
Electrons.
Electronics. Okay. What is it?
It's a DC.
It works on
needs
DC.
battery.
Okay,
Yeah.
it is battery operated. And how do you play that game, Umaima?
I don't know. We have not started doing it because we don't have pencil battery.
Okay, so it requires a pencil battery. Okay, and it works
Yeah,
on
and
battery.
There
It
are
does
even
not.
wires
Okay, yes.
and buzzer.
Oh, buzzer is also there. Okay, I think so. You have to connect the objects and it will. Okay, wow, that's really nice. Okay, who gave you that gift?
I don't know. It's my brother's.
Oh, it's your brother's gift. Okay, okay, fine.
Yep.
Manha, have you got any toys?
Yes.
There, show me. What is it?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ah, it's a piano. It's a piano, Manha. Okay, so how it works?
My cousins have the same piano. No, no,
Huh?
no,
Oh, wow. So how
no,
it works?
no, no, not the same piano.
Not the same one?
It's a toy.
We have to plug this piano.
You have to
This
plug
is
this.
the battery one also, and we have to plug also.
Okay, you need to
There
charge.
is no light. There is no light, so the piano will not
Work. So you
work.
plug it to the main AC, right? You have to plug it to the socket. Yes,
Yes. Yes.
and you require
Ma'am, I want to
battery
say
as
one
well.
more thing.
Okay. Oh my ma. Yes, yes, Manha.
This,
And it
this manual has a lot of pages.
which has a lot of play pages.
This manual.
This
Manual.
Okay, okay, it has a manual as well. Okay, okay, Umaima. Okay, so all the toys, most of the toys actually work on batteries. Why do you think so?
And there are 39 pages.
Oh, baapre. Okay, Umaima, I have asked you something. Why all the toys work on batteries?
I don't know.
Mustafa, Manha,
Also don't know.
you also
I know,
don't
I
know.
know, I know.
Because wire things don't wire cars with wires don't go on long distance.
Yes, because our toys are usually mobile, okay? We take it everywhere.
Ma'am,
And second, yes, Umaima, tell me.
like there are, if you have a car and you want to play with it, but it needs AC, so we can't take it for a long distance. We
Yes,
have to
okay.
play there only.
Okay, because
That's
the
what
toys
I
are
was.
usually we have to take it everywhere. It is
Yeah.
mobile in nature. So the batteries are very handy. We can just put it and it can work, right? Yes. And second thing is the toys. The toys are played by whom?
Kids.
Kids. And the batteries voltage has to be, because batteries are safe, because battery have you seen 9-volt battery, 1.5
Yes,
batteries? Yes.
I've
Yeah.
seen all kind of batteries.
So
Me too.
the amount of electricity which is required for the toys is very less. And main electricity, do you know how much voltage is there in main electricity?
No.
220 volt. Okay, so it is
Oh.
very high and it is very dangerous also. So the batteries volts are really less and it is safe to play, and that is why all the toys require different sizes of battery. Okay, let's
My
go on.
battery is really big. The
It's
car's
really big,
battery.
but still it is safer than the main electricity. Okay.
Yes,
Okay, Manha, what is this? Can you read?
10.9.
A meter.
What is this? M meter. What is this? What is M meter? Who can tell
0,
me?
24, 0,
Okay.
24,
Umaima, you raised
50,
your hand. Tell
50.
me.
Ha.
It might be to if a battery without written how much voltage is there, so
Yes,
we can
that also
keep the battery and then we can check how much voltage is there.
Okay. Okay, Manha, you were raising hand. What is it?
I
Yes,
also
tell me.
think that.
We have to check our weight.
Weight, this is for weight. No, Manha, this is not a weighing machine, okay? It is an instrument. It is an instrument to check how much volt is there in the battery or in the wires, okay? How much volt is flowing in the wires.
Correct.
So it is an instrument to check the electricity.
Ma'am, I also think that.
Okay, you
I
also
also thought of that.
okay. So this is
Same.
ammeter. It is a instrument to check the electricity. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? Voltage, ampere,
Voltage.
watts, units. What is it? What is all this? Manha, what is all this? Manha, are you there? Voltage, ampere, watts. You understood that ammeter is the instrument to measure the electricity, the flow of electricity. What is voltage, ampere, watts? Do you have any idea?
No.
Mustafa, Umayma?
No.
Okay.
No.
So you have seen 9-volt batteries. Voltage and volt is same. Okay. So it is amount of electricity. Like, how do you say, like, when you go to a shopkeeper, you to buy a potatoes. Okay. So what do you tell the shopkeeper? That I want 2 kgs of potatoes. You will not say 2, 3 potatoes. I want how much? I want in kg. What is kg? It is unit of measure. Okay. So how much electricity is flowing? How we will get? So we will say 9 volt of electricity is flowing through the wire, or 5 ampere or 6 watts. Okay. In this manner, we are going to explain how much electricity is flowing. Okay. So just let's play a game. Okay. We'll play a game quickly. Okay, so we are going to play a game on measure of unit. So for electricity, what is the measure of unit? Quickly tell me. Who can tell me?
Volt.
Volt and
Or voltage.
volt or ampere. Okay, we can use volt or ampere. Okay, so now for bananas, suppose if I am a shopkeeper and you are a customer and you want to buy bananas, how will you say? No, no, no,
5
not
kg
kg.
banana.
Okay,
5
you can say
unit
kg
bananas.
as well, but other than that, Manha.
Gram.
Manha is very upset today. Manha, tell me quickly.
Yes, gram.
Not grams. Manha, how will you buy the bananas? Manha, suppose you have come to buy the bananas. What will you?
Dozen.
Ah,
Yes,
yes,
dozen.
dozen. Okay, now
1
2
kg
dozen.
banana.
2
1 kg
dozen
also you will say,
means,
or you would say half
ma'am,
dozen or 1 dozen.
ma'am, 2.
Yes.
Ma'am, two dozen,
1
dozen
dozen
means
means
24
Manha.
of the bananas.
Yes, 1 dozen is 12 bananas, okay, and half
Yes.
dozen is six bananas. Okay, so you understood the game. Now I'm going to ask each one of you, and they will only answer me, okay? If I will ask Manha, Manha will only answer. If I'll ask Mustafa, Mustafa will only answer. If I will ask Umayma, Umayma will only answer. Okay. Okay. This is for Umayma. Umayma, if you want to buy a chocolates, how will you say? Suppose I am a shopkeeper and you are the customer. Oh my God. Umayma is very hungry and now she wants to eat chocolate.
First, you have to give all this in real, then only I will pay you, ma'am.
Oh my God, Umayma. This is a very tough thing. Umayma, tell me how many, what will you say if I have so many chocolates and you want to buy? First, you have to purchase it, right? Then only I can. Tell me, how will you say?
Kg,
No,
gram.
you usually buy chocolates. How will you say that I want?
I never go to buy. Like sometimes
Dozen.
my brother go.
Okay,
Dozen.
Manha, take it up. Manha, how will you, if you want to buy chocolates, what do you say to shopkeeper?
Dozen.
No. Manha, oh my
1
God.
chocolate, 2 chocolate.
Yes, there is no measure of unit in this chocolate. Okay, what do you say? I want 3 Kit Kat. I want 2 5 stars. I want 5 perk. Yes or no? Okay, so that was a googly question. Okay, for Umayma. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
give me
next
the
one.
chocolate.
Okay, take it. Umaima, can you take it? Okay, I have already given. Okay, good, good, Umaima. Eat it now, okay, Umaima? Eat quickly. Okay, this is for Mustafa. Mustafa, if you want to buy a shirt piece or a pant piece and you have come to a shopkeeper, what will you say? That I want. How much cloth do you want? Tell me, Mustafa. How will you say that?
How much?
I
What
want
does
one
mean?
dozen. Oh my God,
No, no.
Mustafa.
Not
Do you know
12.
what is the measure of unit for cloth?
Ma'am, I know.
No.
Okay, wait. If Mustafa cannot answer, then I will give it to Umaima.
He told I don't know.
You don't know, Mustafa?
No.
Okay, Umaima, go ahead.
I'm not so interested.
One piece of cloth. One piece of cloth.
One piece of cloth. Manha, do you know? Manha,
One
do you
whole
know?
cloth. One half of the cloth.
Manha, I can't hear.
I want
One half of the cloth.
Just a minute, Umaima. I can't hear Manha. Yes, Manha, tell me.
I want one cloth.
One cloth. No. If you go to
One half.
okay.
One half.
No, nobody could give me the answer, so I have to give you the answer.
One dozen.
No, one dozen. Oh my God.
1 kg, 1 kg, 1 gram, 1
No.
kg, 1 gram.
No. No. You would say meter. I want 1 meter of cloth, 2 meters, 3 meters. Okay.
So
Now
long.
y'all should go out. See, y'all are not going out. Y'all don't know how to speak then. Yes or no? So if you want a cloth, you will say, I want 2 meters of this red color
I
cloth.
want
Or
one
I
piece
want
of cloth.
no piece of cloth.
That's so much.
Yes. 2 meters, 4 meters. Okay. You will use meters. Okay.
8,000.
Okay.
meters.
Let
4
me check
meters
this.
means 4 cloths.
4 meters, they will check. They will check how much meter you want, and then accordingly they will give you the cloth. Okay.
One car, one car, one car.
No,
one
not
car,
for
one
this.
car, one
Now tell me, if you want to tell your daddy is sitting and he's driving a car. Okay, you want to tell your daddy, we are going to picnic, right? So how much distance we have covered? How will you say that?
5 kilometers, 1 kilometer.
meters,
Wow,
kilometers,
good,
meters.
good.
That's really
You know
easy because I
something.
go out
Huh.
really much.
So we have already covered
Really much.
9 kilometers.
Even
Daddy.
feet. We can even feet.
Feet,
2,
I
5,
need to
10
check.
feet.
Not feet, but kilometer is the
Ma'am, we
right
know
answer.
something.
Huh.
Ma'am, we know
At least
Feet is
one
the-
answer you gave me correct. Good for you all. Okay, the next one. Okay, who can give me Manha? Manha, go ahead. If you're buying a apple, yes, Manha, tell me.
This
Thank you.
shopkeeper is not good. He gives so small apples.
Wait, Umaima, Manha is trying to say something. Manha, tell me.
Ma'am, my internet connection is very, very low. I can't hear you.
You can't hear me. Now, can you hear me? This
Now
question is for
also.
you. Now also, oh my God. What can I do for you, Manha? Manha, can you see the screen?
Chat.
Can you see the screen, Manha?
Your voice is breaking. My
Can you see the screen?
Manha, can you
I
see the
cannot
screen?
see the screen.
Oh, she cannot see the screen as well. Okay, Manha, can you
And
try?
was paused.
You can chat with her.
Okay, Manha, should I write it in chat for you? It's apples. Manha, it's apples. Okay. So how are you going to buy the apples? What are you going to say the shopkeeper?
I want one.
What will you say? One?
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I know.
Manha's turn. It's Manha's turn. Yes, Manha, tell me. I want?
Dozen.
No, not dozen. Only for bananas you will use dozen. For
Ma'am, I
apples,
know.
what will you use?
Ma'am, I know. KG.
Wait.
KG.
Mustafa,
KG.
wait. Manha, tell me. Manha, you can write to me on chat as well.
kg.
Yes, Manha. You will say, I want 2 kgs of apples, or 5 kgs of apples, or 7 kgs of apples. Okay, well done. Okay, let's see what is next. Okay, Mustafa, this is for you. If you want
Yeah, I
to
was
write
right.
milk, how will you say? Milk. It's milk.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am, I know, ma'am, I
Wait,
know.
if Mustafa cannot answer, then I will give it to you. Mama.
Me.
Wait. Let Mustafa try first.
I'm coming.
Huh? What? You're coming? He's so smart that when he does not know the
I'm
answer,
going.
he disappears.
I'm going.
He disappears. You know?
No.
Please, can I tell? Please.
Okay, Umayma, should we give
No.
it
Don't
on?
say it.
Okay,
No,
Mustafa has come back.
KG.
Mustafa
No,
has
no. Yes, KG.
no KG.
No, grams.
Was behaving very smart
Grams.
when it was Manha's turn. No grams. Okay. Should we give? Okay, Manha, you say the answer.
No,
Let's give the
ma'am,
chance.
it's me, please.
Doesn't.
Mustafa, all your
Doesn't.
answers are wrong.
Liter.
Okay.
Ma'am, should I say?
Yes, Umayma.
Liter.
Liter is not the correct answer, ma'am.
Then what is the
Packet
correct answer?
answer.
No.
One packet,
When
two
you,
packets.
when you go to buy milk, you say, I want 1 liter of milk packet.
Yeah.
Or
I'm
liter
right.
of
1 liter,
milk
2
packet.
liter, 3
Yes,
liter, 4
liter is
liter,
the
5
correct
liter.
answer. Mustafa, have you heard this? Liter is the correct answer. Okay.
That's what I said.
Okay. Now quickly, too much of games. Now quickly get your science textbook. Science textbook and even the pencil and eraser. Quickly. We have to write.
Ma'am, pin number 29 is also done, mine.
Okay, page number 29. Let's check your answer then. Okay, Umayma. Just remove your book.
Ma'am, we
Mustafa,
cannot
get
write.
your book. Science textbook.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I want to write in spiral book.
Okay, write in the spiral book, but it will take long time, and y'all are Newtons. I want you all to be very, very quick, okay, in writing. Okay, so page number 29. Manha, don't write the questions. Questions you can copy later on from your textbook. Okay, why are batteries useful? Okay, why are batteries useful? Who can tell me? Just now we did, no? For your toys, we need batteries. Why are batteries useful? Yes, Manha, tell me.
We can take the toys on batteries. We can take
Anywhere.
any
Yes.
places.
Huh?
Any
So we can
places.
take, if we are using the batteries, then we can take
Ma'am,
our toys anywhere, okay, at any place. But I have written it in a very simple form. The batteries are used to power the electric appliances. Okay, so whatever electric appliances we have, we use batteries. It's a simple question. Why are batteries useful? Batteries are used to power the electric appliances. Quickly write it in your textbook.
Where? Why
On page
battery is
number
useful there?
29. Page number 29, there's a space given below. Just give me a minute. Okay, can you see this page? Page 29 and the first space which is given. You have to write it over here. Why are batteries useful? Batteries are, you have to just write the answer. Don't write the question, okay? Batteries are used to power the electric appliances. Quickly. I'm just giving you 1 more minute, okay?
Done.
Done? Who's done?
Umar Aziz Ahmad
Oh
Jadwal.
my God. Sometime you disappear, Umar. Sometime you come back. Show me your face, Umar. Were you there when we were playing game, Umar?
Yes, I was there.
Okay. So I could not see you, Umar. And I'm very disappointed, Umar, when you don't turn on your screen.
Over.
Umar, please turn on your screen, Umar. And when you are there, I should also know that my Umar is already there in the session. Yes or no, Umar? So it makes me very disappointed when Umar is not there or when Umar is not turning on the screen. And I have to scream and scream and scream, Umar. Yes, Umar, now you are not going to turn off your screen, okay? Umar, you are done with this answer? Umaima, are you done
Yes,
with
again turn off
Batteries.
the screen.
1 minute.
Okay, please give me a thumbs
Batteries
up.
Ma'am, I'm also done.
are
Okay.
used to power the electric appliance.
Very good. Give me a thumbs up, Umar, in reaction. Umaima, please give me a thumbs up. Mustafa, please give me a thumbs up. Manna, you have to be little quick. I'm expecting you
I
all.
am on appliances.
Okay, appliances. Then I will change my screen, okay? Quickly write. Because even the Curies have done this. I want Newton to do little more, okay? In one session.
Why don't we
Ma'am,
combine?
I'm the
Because
opposite
Cuties
of my
also do
icon.
this.
What? Because the
I'm
textbooks
the
were same,
opposite
right,
of my
Umaima?
icon.
But you have to write more.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Then
I'm
done.
opposite
also.
of my icon.
Okay. Okay, this is the next question, okay? Why are there lot of different kind of batteries?
Because different kind of things.
Yes, definitely, Mustafa. Because different electrical appliances require different sizes of batteries. Have you seen the watch? Watch requires very small cell, and toys will require maybe pencil batteries. And for making an electric circuit, you require a 9-volt batteries. So different electrical appliances requires different sizes of batteries. Quickly write your answer. Umaima, are you done? Umaima,
Yep,
you are done?
ma'am.
You are already done?
What?
You have written the same answer, Umaima? Just check.
Same answer.
Same answer. How
Yep.
you have written the same answers?
I don't know.
Read your answer. Umar, quickly write and tell me
But
you are
I
done.
wrote in my own words. Wrote
Show
in
me.
my own words.
Read. Read to me.
Because they have different to fit a different size of battery because they have to fit in the objects.
Okay, ठीक है, fine. Umaima is already done. Okay, Manha, are you done?
No.
Mustafa, are you done? Umar, are you done?
Ma'am, I can't find my pencil. It was right here just a minute ago.
La 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 la.
Where's my pencil?
Umar, are you writing, Umar?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Okay. Umar, when you speak, no, I feel so proud of you, Umar. But please don't turn off your screen, Umar.
Okay. 1 minute.
Thank you, Umar. 1 minute and he disappeared again. Okay, good, Umar, good. If you're done, please give me a thumbs up in reaction. This is the second question, okay? On the same page number 29, right? 29. This is the second question. Why are there a lot of different kinds of batteries?
Require.
Now Manha's hands are paining, right, Manha?
Ma'am, what was the page number?
It is not
Page
working.
number 29, same. Page number 29, second question now. We are on the second question. Actually, it's written third, but we are on the second question.
Okay.
Quickly write.
Because the first is look at the word list, circle the words
Yes,
you have learned.
yes. That you have to circle on your own, okay? Look at the word list, circle the words you have learned. So you have learned about batteries, you have learned about motor. No, motor, yes, motor. You have learned about bulb, buzzer, ammeter, wire, everything. Just circle it. Where is Umaima? Now Umaima has gone.
Like Umar.
Oh no. Umaima is not there. Newton Golden. Okay, Newton Golden is Umaima? Is Newton Golden Umaima? Oh my God. Umaima is Newton Golden. Okay. If
Sparrow.
you're done, we'll
Newton
do the...
Golden Sparrow.
Good. Give me a thumbs up, Umar, quickly. Yes. Okay, Manha is also done. Mustafa, you are left. Mustafa, quickly.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Hello, Umaima.
Ma'am,
Hello.
I'm
Hello,
almost
Shazia, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, Shasha, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. I'm Umaima. Okay. Now let me change my screen. Okay, Manha, are you done?
no,
Sorry,
no, no.
Mustafa.
No, no,
Mustafa,
no.
quickly. You were just talking to me, Mustafa. You are
No,
not writing.
I was writing.
Okay, I will give you 30 seconds. Umar, you
I'm
don't need to turn off your screen.
Another different. The other different.
Different sizes of batteries. What is this, Umar? What you have renamed yourself? Zinde. What is that?
No, Zamdi.
Zamdi. What is that, Zamdi? Umar, what is it?
He's a very smart person.
Is it a character? Is it a ye cartoon character, Umar?
No, he's a YouTuber and he is very smart.
Okay, so let me check on YouTube who is Zamdi, okay? ZMDE. Yes, Umar?
Yes.
Is
Yes.
that the correct spelling?
Yes, Zamdi.
Zemdi. Okay, it's Zemdi. Okay, I will go and today I will Google it and I will read everything about Zemdi. Okay, who is he? Okay, can I change my slide, Mustafa?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm just writing batteries.
Okay.
I know the spelling of batteries.
Okay, the last question is name two material that would make good wires. Okay, the two materials are, there has to be metal, okay, to be a good conductor or for the electricity to flow. For the electricity to flow, we need metal. So which are the two material? Copper and aluminum.
Zamdi is what the answer says.
Yes, it's in the cloud, right? Two materials that make good wires are copper and aluminum. Quickly write.
Like that.
Yes.
Like that.
Yes.
Umar.
Yes.
Zamdi is a Among Us ka player, right?
Yes.
I
Oh,
know.
Maima knows about it. That's very nice.
Yeah.
He plays Among Us. I don't
Yeah,
play.
we
I
play
don't like
Among
it.
Us. It's very nice.
I don't.
Among Us. Oh, Maima, is it Among Us?
Yes, Among Us.
Okay, let me
My
check. What
cousins
is
are.
it?
It's a game.
It's a
My
game.
cousins My
Mustafa,
cousin's
again you are
favorite game
talking
is
a lot.
I love to be imposter.
Yes,
But we
Imposter.
yes.
always don't. We always
Imposters
don't
kill
get.
everyone.
Okay.
It's a very nice game.
Okay. So, Umaima, you have written this answer as well. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, good. So, what are the two materials that make good electricity? Quickly tell me. Umar, I don't want short answers. Copper and wire. You have to write in the entire sentence.
Yes,
Two materials that.
I wrote an entire sentence.
Show me. Show me the book. Show me the book, Umar. Show me the book quickly.
Okay.
Show me the book. I want to see. See, now he's writing. I already caught him. Oh, Manha is done. Oh, Manha is the first one to complete. Okay, good,
I'm
Manha.
also dumb.
Okay, Mustafa is done. Umar, show me a book quickly. You have not written
Actually,
yet.
I'm not done.
Oh my
A-
God,
actually,
Mustafa,
I'm not
please
done.
write it. Mustafa, write it. I'm there for you. And Umar, please complete. Write in the full sentence. See how he's smiling now. Look at this. Look at him. Okay, Umaima. Now
I'm
we
done,
are.
ma'am.
Okay, good. So Mustafa, Manha, and Umaima can leave the meeting. Umar, you can stay with
Bye.
me. Bye. And
Bye.
the next
Bye-bye.
class is life skills. Or bye.
Curie. Bye.
Yes, you have to join the
Bye-bye.
Curie link. Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye. Good night, ma'am.
Good night. Oh my God, you are going to sleep. Okay, Manha, you are done. Manha, you can leave. You can leave the meeting. Okay. Bye, Manha. Bye. Choose. Umar, you are still writing. Umar, I need to check your book. Okay, Umar, you can't take shortcut. In the exams also, you can do much better. But what you have done is you took lot of shortcuts. Just quickly finishing your exam is not important. Okay. Okay, Umar, I can't hear. You are muted. Unmute yourself, Umar.
Only one answer I took a shortcut.
But you should, during exam, you should not take a shortcut. No. I have told you to make a circuit also. You have not made it right. You knew everything, Umar, but you did not do well. And I'm very proud of you that you know everything. I know it. Okay, good, Umar. Good to go. Chalo, bye, Umar. We'll meet in life skill class. Okay, bye.